Alright, so I'm going to be doing a simple dual coil build on the Strata. I'm going to be using 26 gauge wire, some size drill bit. I already got mine cut off. I'm going to do 6 wraps. Start off. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Second coil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. God damn it.
Hey, how do I stop it?
Yeah, I don't know. The coils in the atomizer, they are going to be vertical coils, but I'm going to put them in horizontally first. Just makes it a lot easier to set up. So wrap it around the negative post. Screw it down, just like that. And then I didn't actually get it caught. Alright, then I'm going to screw this up.
Christian told me the other day he was playing this game while he was
Then on this side, I'm going to do the same exact thing. So unscrew. It's a pain in the ass to focus on here. Oh fuck, that was the wrong one. Okay, let's do the right one this time. Coil fell off.
Alright, look up Trent Power.
Okay. This is actually the hard part right here. I can't ever do this right. I just wrap it around, see how it's kind of on the post. I just push it down with these and grab the wire. It's a lot easier when I can do it without a camera. No, it's just I can't fucking see it. Ah, shit! Alright, I couldn't put the coils on and wrap it around with the camera. I'm not good at that yet. So what I did was just get it ready. See, just 2 horizontal coils. I'm gonna heat them up. Just get them kind of glowing. Do the whole micro coil thing. And just scrunch them together. Like that. See if they're glowing. Looks pretty good. And then what I'm going to do is take the drill bit back in there and if they want to, wrong way. So I can't even do this while being recorded. Go in. So, alright, so then after that I'm just going to bend it in like that and make it vertical.
Class 2 narcotic, and that is what's it called? Not a federal, but it is a
It's going to do it to both coils.
misdemeanor. It's a Just kidding.
Alright. That took long enough. Okay. Just like that. And then we'll check it again to see if they're firing good. Alright. Perfect. Okay, so lock that back up, put it on here, put some cotton on this bad boy. Stick it in like that. I like to just stick it in a little bit and then get these guys and pull it back through. And I'm still experimenting with the cotton. I never really had an origin or anything, so I don't know what the best way to set that up is, but this seems to do the job for me. So it's like that. Let's do this side real quick. And one way to eliminate cotton taste, in case you guys didn't know, is just only twist the ends. God, fuck! Yeah, you can pause it. Alright, like I was saying before I got that phone call, to eliminate the cotton taste when you're putting the cotton, only twist this first part and leave it fluffy over here. And then when it'll start tasting good right away, rather than having to break it in. And I don't boil mine or anything, it's just plain old organic cotton. So, the same thing as before, just pull it through. Just gonna stick that down in there. Let me find some scissors real quick. Alright, I'm gonna chop it about right there. Alright, time to juice this bad boy up. Where's the, oh, no. Shout out to Clark from Nico Ticket. Everything he makes is great. Alright. Juice it up, juice it up. Okay, let's see if we have any hot spots or anything. Working like a charm. Alright, and one thing everyone's complaining about, oh, I don't know where to put the air holes. It's pretty goddamn simple. You have your air hole right here. If you look down, the air hole is right there. I'm not sure if that's the right spot, but you know it's always right to the right of this little divot or whatever you want to call that. So just look at it right there. It always seems to work if I put it right there on the P. Seems to be blowing clouds to me. And one more thing. Another thing is people are saying that the airflow control doesn't work because, oh, I have to tighten it down all the way to get it anywhere. No, you don't, because every air hole, it's going to be the same thing. You just twist it a little bit. I'm going to hit it like a cigarette now. It works good. Just, comment. If you have any questions, we'll be happy to answer them. And I hope you enjoy your Strata.